Welcome back to Top Lingo. This is lesson 5 of our complete parts of speech course. If you are new here, make sure to watch the previous lessons for a smooth learning experience. Let's continue our journey and master adverbs today. What are adverbs? Adverbs are words that describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. They tell us how, when, where, or how often something happens. Examples: she sings beautifully. She is very tall. They run quite fast. Types of adverbs and examples. Number 1. Adverbs of manner. They tell us how things happen. Usually, they end by ly. Quickly, slowly, beautifully. Examples: she works quickly. He spoke softly. Number 2. Adverbs of time. They tell us when something happens. Today, yesterday, soon, later, now. Examples: I will call you later. She arrived yesterday. Number 3. Adverbs of place. They tell us where something happens. Here, there, everywhere, outside, upstairs. Examples: come here. The kids are playing outside. Remember this song from Beatles? Here, there, everywhere. Yeah, out of tune, but still. Number 4. Adverbs of frequency. They tell us how often something happens. Always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely. Examples: she always wakes up early. They never drink junk food. Number 5. Adverbs of degree. They tell us to what extent. Very, to, enough. For example, it is very hot. She is too tired. Formation of adverbs. Many adverbs are formed by adding ly to adjectives. Quick, quickly. Slow, slowly. Quiet, quietly. The exceptions are as follows: no ly. Fast, adjective and adverb. Hard, adjective and adverb. Light, adjective and adverb. Common mistakes. She speaks good. That's wrong. You should say she speaks well. Well is an adverb and good is an adjective. Let's have a mini quiz. Choose the correct adverb. She sings beautiful or beautifully. I will see you soon or soonly. If this lesson helped you, like and subscribe to continue learning with us. The next lesson is going to be part 6. Adjectives. Adjectives describe nouns. So, see you next time in the next video.